Alright guys, welcome back. So today we have another Dino Reveal, and we're gonna check the code down there. So it says BVF. So if the letter says F, that means we might be getting the rare Gastonia right here, the brown one. Because we already did the Coloscus, it says B, so that's a B. It'll go A, B, C, D, E, F. So like I said, it's an F. Alright, so let's unbox this. Let's check it out. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay, I'll just ruin the box since we already have the other one. We're gonna use this instead of using a clear mug. Since we're gonna have, 7 more to collect anyway. Okay. Let's check it out. Pop it out. Yeah, I think it is a Gastonia. I can feel it, all the spikes. Alright. What? Yep, I knew it. It's a Gastonia. Look at that. It is the rare Gastonia, so I am right. It'll go by letters. Okay. So let's put some water on our canister and check it out. Okay, so we're gonna dunk it in, and while it's dissolving, I'm gonna go look for the other Gastonias downstairs. Okay. Whoops, looks like we need more water. You can see it dissolving now, look at that. Whoa. Dirt. Whoa. Okay, so here's the original Gastonia from Epic Evolution. There you go, it still swings. You push this one. There's the DNA scan. And then let's go get my custom paint. I believe I already showed this, but I want to show it to you guys again. I don't have a touch-up Gastonia. There's no point of that anymore because there's going to be like 3 of these coming. Okay, so here's my custom paint Gastonia. Yep. Now let's change the water again. Okay, so this Gastonia has some nice color, like fluorescent colors. Look at that. Let's take it out now. And let's dry it up. Might leave it under the sun later. It has like shiny greenish color. So this is our rare Gastonia. Let's pat it dry. At least the neck articulates though. See, there's movement. However, there's the strike attack feature is gone. You push this, the tail doesn't swing anymore. They got rid of that. So that's the one they downgraded it. Okay, let's pat it dry. Okay, I think that should do it. So the DNA scan is no longer available. You can't pull it out anymore, and the tail here doesn't swivel or swing. It looked like they permanently glued it. Okay, so let's compare to the original Gastonia now. Look at the color in that face. They did something there. They added some nice shiny color. Looks like a gold, something goldish, to make it like rare, including the belly part. Look at that, you can tell. Alright, so let's compare to the original. So if you push this, it swings. This one doesn't do that anymore. And then the updates, the DNA scan, like I said earlier, doesn't work anymore. Okay, the head turns. That's pretty much it, yeah. So yeah, this is our new rare Gastonia. So I'm gonna be hunting the common and the ultra rare in the next few days for this thing. Weird. There's like something wrong with the head here. Like they made it bigger. Because this one doesn't. Look at that. Look at the neck over here. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna have plenty of Gastonias. We're gonna have at least 5. Yay. Alright, guys. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you. And you guys have a good day. Thanks again. Bye.